Getting in a big breaking news right now. This is coming in from Gujarat. In fact, this afternoon there was a massive fire that took place in a game zone in Rajkot. The news now coming in is that the fire that broke out in the TRP gaming zone this afternoon. In fact, the rescue operations are already underway. We're given to understand that this is a massive fire that as of now they've been able to bring it under control, but they're trying to retrieve the bodies as of now is what the district administration have to say. An official confirmation now coming in from Rajkot Police Commissioner that 24 bodies have been recovered is what we are given to understand. Investigations are still being carried out, as you can see right now. These are the images coming in from the TRP gaming zone. This gaming zone is inside a mall is what we know. The gaming zone is owned by a person called Yuvraj Singh Solanki, and as of now a case has already been registered. This happened in the afternoon is what we are being told. We'll try and also bring in my colleague Priyanka, who's getting us more details. In fact, this is what we know, that there have been lapses that have been pointed out. 24 people have lost their lives so far. Confirmation coming in from Rajkot Police. Unfortunately, children have lost their life because they were present inside the gaming zone. Right now, the identification process is being carried out and it's turning out to become a massive challenging act. The investigation on the fire, NOC lapses are also being carried out right now. We'll also take you through some of the details as to when the fire broke out and what's the current situation. In fact, as of now, the district administration are saying that the municipal corporation has been pressed into action. As you can see on your screens, efforts are essentially being made to douse the fire. So far, they are maintaining that the situation has been brought under control, but such is the condition right now that it's becoming extremely difficult to basically identify because the bodies are charred beyond recognition is what we are being told. DNA tests are already being carried out in order to identify the bodies. Also, the big news coming in that the owner of the gaming zone, Yuvraj Singh, has been taken into custody. 3 names of the owners are being investigated by the Rajkot police. In fact, one has already been taken into custody by the Rajkot police. Let me also bring in my colleague Priyanka, who's joining us on this broadcast. Priyanka, walk us through the details that you're picking up. What time did the fire break out? While the breaking news that we are also getting in that the owner of the gaming zone has been arrested. But before we get into the details of the owner and the other things, but what's important to point out here is what's the current situation? Has the fire been brought under control? And also if you could help us understand the location where the fire broke out.
Well, absolutely, Shravan. As we speak, we are getting these live updates from Rajkot because this is a very big fire, in fact, that had broken out because of an AC blast inside of a gaming zone in the TRP mall here in the Rajkot city, in fact. And post that, we are seeing a lot of developments, and a very shocking update in that we can also report for our viewers is that none of the bodies are being identified. They have been completely charred to death, and that helps us understand that the fire was not being that was not doused for a couple of hours, and because of which this kind of a situation got out of control. And important to note that this was in fact a gaming zone, and which is why there were more and more children who were present inside, and most of the children in fact have lost their lives. A very important detail that we are getting is that most of the bodies, at least 24 that we are getting a confirmation of, had been completely charred to death, so much so that none of them are being identified by their own parents. And post that, we are of course now getting updates of the owner also being taken into custody. There are 3 of the owners. In fact, if I could very quickly read out the names of the owners as well, because one, Yuvraj Singh Solanki, in fact has been taken into custody, and the other 2 in fact are being looked for by the Rajkot police. The confirmation that we can give to our viewers is that 24 people that have lost their lives in this. Of course, an investigation is also being carried out whether or not the precautionary measures for the fire dousing, fire emergency in fact had been there or not, and because of which it took so much time for the fire to be doused as well. And updates, of course, as we get the owners The owners, in fact, are being arrested, and the real-time updates we are also getting is that the officials might have to also carry out a DNA test to understand and identify the bodies as well. This is the kind of extreme fire that had broken out inside of the mall, inside of the gaming zone specifically. The reason for this fire as of now is being stated to be the AC blast that had taken place, post which the fire had gotten out of control, because of which it had taken a lot of time to douse the fire as well. And of course, an investigation will be carried out by the Rajkot police, Shravan, on whether or not there was a negligence from the part of the owners. It seems as though it was, because one of the owners has been taken into custody. The other two are also being hunted for by the Rajkot police, and a thorough investigation will be carried out as to whether or not the fire NOC precautionary measures were in place at the mall or not.
We're also getting in now a confirmation from the police commissioner of Rajkot with regards to the bodies that have been recovered. Let's listen in to the official response now coming in on this entire matter.
Fire broke out in the TRP gaming zone in the afternoon. The rescue operations are on. The fire is under control. We are trying to retrieve as many bodies as possible. As of now, around 20 bodies have been recovered and they have been sent for to the hospital for further investigation.
आज राजकोट में बहुत दुखद घटना घटी हुई है। राजकोट के इतिहास में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि ये गेम जोन में आज आग लगने की वजह से आज बहुत गंभीर लोगों की बच्चों की जान गंवाई है, और अभी फायर ब्रिगेड की टीम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को रेस्क्यू कर सके और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को बचा सके, इस तरह की कार्यवाही चल रही है। जिस लोगों ने ये घटना घटे उसमें जो भी उन्होंने बेदरकारी दिखाई है उसके सामने सरकार जरूर योग्य निर्णय लेके उसके सामने जरूर से कार्यवाही करेंगी।